Today we are going to learn about inequalities, which is a mathematical sentence indicating that two quantities are not equal. Inequalities can be solved by determining if given values of the variables make the inequality true. In inequalities, we have symbols. We have four symbols. We have a less than symbol, which is to be read less than or fewer than. Example is 3 is less than 5. We have a greater than symbol that is read as greater than or more than. 8 is greater than 4 or 8 is more than 4. We have a symbol with a less than and then a line underneath. This symbol is less than or equal to or is at most. So 7 is at most 10 or 7 is less than or equal to 10. We have a greater than symbol with a line underneath, and that is greater than or equal to. So it could either be equal to or more than. And it's also read as is at least. So 12 is at least 9. Let's practice. Of the given values 6, 7, or 8, determine which values makes the inequality f plus 2 less than 9 true. So this right here looks like an equation, but instead of an equal sign, we have a less than sign. And that's because we don't know if the left side equals the right side. So we have to figure that out. So our first step when figuring that out is to write the inequality. Your second step is to take the first number given as 6, and instead of the f right here, you're going to place the 6 in the inequality. 6 plus 2, so you'll rewrite the whole inequality, and if you see I have a question mark there because I am not sure if it is less than, so we'll have to solve to find out. So 6 plus 2 is less than 9. When I solve, 6 plus 2 is 8, 8 is less than 9, well yes, 8 is less than 9, so that statement is true. So after you do that, it has an S and behind values and behind makes, because there may be more than one solution. So let's go ahead and plug in 7. So we write our inequality down. Our second step is to replace the variable with the given number. 7 plus 2 is less than 9. Let's find out. 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 less than 9? Well, no, that's not true because 9 isn't less than 9. 9 is 9. So that's not true. So let's look at number 8, or the value 8. Write our inequality. Instead of our variable f, we're going to, on our second step, we're going to replace f with 8. And 8 plus 2, is it less than 9? 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 is not less than 9, so that statement is not true. So then we would write this at the bottom. Since the number 6 is the only value that makes a true statement, 6 is the solution of the inequality and the only solution of this inequality for this practice problem. Let's go to number 2. Number 2 says, of the given values 8, 9, or 10, determine which values makes the inequality n minus 3 greater than 6 true. So remember again, our first step is to write the inequality. N minus 3 is greater than 6. So instead of our variable n, we replace f with 8. So we have an 8 minus 3 greater than 6. 8 minus 3 is 5. 5 greater than 6. Is 5 greater than 6? No. This statement is not true. So let's try that for 9. So we rewrite our inequality of n minus 3 greater than 6. Instead of our variable n on the second step, we rewrite it with a number given, which is 9. 9 minus 3 is greater than 6. On our third step, we solve. 9 minus 3 is 6. 6 greater than 6. Is that true? No. The statement is not true. So let's try for 10 now. So again, we rewrite our inequality of n minus 3 greater than 6. Instead of the variable n, on our second step, we would place the number we're looking at. 10 minus 3 greater than 6. And then we solve. 10 minus 3 is 7. 7 greater than 6. Is that true? Yes, 7 is greater than 6. So the solution to this inequality is 10. So that's our final answer. Let's try this again. Now, is this given value a solution of the inequality? So this question is just saying that I'm giving you one value and I want you to tell me if this is a true statement or not. So we have this inequality of x plus 3 greater than 9. So then it tells us that x equals 9. So on our second step, remember, we take out this variable of x and we replace it with the x value they gave us, 9. 9 plus 3 is greater than 9. So then 9 plus 3 is 12. 12 greater than 9. Is that true? Yes. Since 12 is greater, and I definitely just misspelled greater, added an H in there. Let's fix that. Greater than 9. This should be a 9 right here. 9 is the solution. So let's try that again. Is the given value a solution of the inequality? So here we have 17 greater than or equal to 11 plus x. They tell us that our x is an 8. So let's do our second step. Our second step says that we are going to take 17 is greater than or equal to 11 plus, and instead of the variable, let's insert the value that they gave us. So then we solve. 17 is greater than or equal to 11 plus 8 is 19. Is 17 greater than or equal to 19? No, it is less than. So since 17 is not greater than or equal to 19, 8 is not a solution. Okay, so not only do we write that, but when it says right here greater than or equal to in our last and our third step, we want to put a slash through that because it's not true. 17 is not greater than or equal to 19. So now we have number 5. 12 is less than or equal to 18 minus y. I would like you to solve this and try to do this writing on your own. What makes sense to put there? And then you will check this with a partner. Once you finish 5, you're going to go to number 6. Number 6, I just want you to solve and then tell me what my solution is. Is this inequality true or not? Okay, we will check over numbers 5 and 6 tomorrow with our table groups.